Our journey begins amidst vast, golden fields where nature's bounty ripens under the sun. Advanced technology ensures every fresh ear of sweet corn is carefully harvested. Freshly harvested sweet corn, straight from the field, begins its journey. The fresh harvest begins its journey to transformation, a testament to quality. From American farms to our factory, the journey of fresh sweet corn begins with careful delivery. Each cob is handled with precision, ensuring only the finest quality enters the production line. Efficiency meets pristine care, as every cob moves swiftly towards its transformation. The journey begins as freshly harvested sweet corn enters the automated husking line. Advanced technology ensures each cob is husked with care, preserving quality. The husks are efficiently removed, leaving behind only the perfect, ready-to-process corn. Each sweet cob is now perfectly prepared, ready for the next stage of processing. The meticulous husking ensures only the finest sweet corn proceeds to the next phase. Skilled American workers meticulously de-soak sweet corn, ensuring every ear meets the highest quality standards. Their focused movements ensure each ear of sweet corn is perfectly prepared for the next stage of production. From conveyor to careful hand, each ear undergoes a thorough inspection for quality. Each station along the line contributes to the meticulous care of every sweet corn ear. The manual inspection line is a testament to quality control, with every worker a vital part of the process. Through precision and care, these skilled hands prepare sweet corn for its journey to deliciousness. The kernels are expertly sheared from the cob in clean, perfect sheets, ready for the next stage. symphony of precision and efficiency. Pure water gently agitates the kernels, preparing them for the next stage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Each kernel undergoes a thorough rinse, ensuring pristine quality for subsequent stages. This rigorous cleaning ensures only the purest sweet corn continues to the next stage. State-of-the-art machinery ensures efficient, gentle handling throughout the washing process. Only the highest quality sweet corn kernels proceed, embodying freshness and purity. Dedicated American workers meticulously inspect every kernel, ensuring peak quality. Focused expressions reveal the unwavering commitment to product perfection. Teamwork and synchronized efforts ensure every kernel meets stringent quality standards. Inspected and perfected, the kernels proceed to the next stage of production. Even a brief pause in the routine showcases unwavering concentration. Precision and cleanliness define every step of our American sweet corn production. Perfectly separated kernels are gently conveyed toward the gleaming processing vats. A skilled worker meticulously oversees the control panel, ensuring precision at every step. Within the vast hall, precision machinery diligently processes the kernels, transforming them into golden sweet corn milk. The continuous grinding transforms plump kernels into a creamy, golden, sweet corn milk. The sweet corn milk achieves its perfect, velvety consistency, a testament to careful processing. Freshly harvested kernels now enter the vats, ready to begin their transformation into creamy sweet corn milk. Through the viewing port, the kernels steadily transform, thickening into a rich, creamy corn slurry. Precision controls and skilled operators ensure every batch meets the highest quality standards. The slurry's texture is continuously refined, moving towards the desired smooth and consistent quality. A skilled American worker takes a sample, performing vital quality control to ensure perfection. The vibrant, creamy corn slurry churns continuously, ready for the next meticulous stage. With meticulous care, the blended slurry undergoes a final visual inspection, ensuring absolute perfection. The perfectly blended slurry, rich and vibrant, is now prepared for the next stage of sweet corn milk production. Advanced filters meticulously refine the sweet corn slurry, separating fibrous elements with precision. Centrifugal force expertly separates the delicate sweet corn milk from the fibrous pulp. The moment of truth, pure, delicate sweet corn milk emerges, separated from the fibrous pulp. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The visually satisfying stream of pure sweet corn milk is a triumph of careful processing. From golden kernels, sweet corn milk flows through precise networks for pasteurization. Skilled workers diligently monitor gauges, ensuring precise temperature and pressure. Inside, the corn milk undergoes a precise heating process for perfect preservation. Advanced technology merges with human expertise for optimal process control. Post-pasteurization, meticulous quality control ensures every drop meets the highest standards. With expertise and precision, the process is complete, ensuring premium sweet corn milk. Our advanced facility ensures every bottle is meticulously prepared for the wholesome sweet corn milk. Each bottle glides effortlessly, a testament to precision engineering and hygienic design. The sterilized bottles stand ready, poised for the rich, creamy essence of sweet corn milk. Precision filling ensures every bottle receives the perfect amount. Each bottle is flawlessly filled, a testament to modern efficiency. Automated precision ensures no spills, preserving every drop. Observing the ballet of bottles and nozzles, pure perfection. The final filled bottles move on, sealed with quality. Automatic capping ensures every bottle is sealed perfectly, preserving the sweet corn milk's freshness. Each label is applied with pinpoint accuracy, branding the premium sweet corn milk. Labeled bottles move steadily along, a testament to efficiency and precision. An American worker vigilantly monitors the labeling process, guaranteeing consistent quality. From raw harvest to bottled perfection, every step reflects dedication to excellence. Skilled American workers ensure every bottle is packed with precision, protecting quality from farm to table. Across the bustling packaging floor, every step upholds the highest standards of quality and care. With final inspection complete, each case is sealed, ready for its journey. Precision robotics ensure every case of sweet corn milk is handled with utmost care and efficiency. Once complete, the pallet undergoes automated shrink wrapping, ensuring product integrity for transport. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The securely wrapped pallets are now ready for storage and distribution, maintaining optimal product freshness. Careful handling ensures the quality of every sweet corn shipment. The harvest is now ready for efficient and timely distribution.